Okay, we have to understand what is ordered pair.
Yes,
So
sir.
ordered पेयर को समझने के पहले हम लोग कार्टेशियन कोऑर्डिनेट में चले जाते हैं, जो ऑलरेडी हम लोग इसको पहचानते हैं, y और x होता है. सपोज हेयर दो पॉइंट है, एक पॉइंट है 2,3 and another point is 3,2. Suppose that this point is A, this point is B. So what do you mean by these 2 points? Anyone? What do you mean by the point A and B?
Sir, they form a straight line.
That is different thing. They form straight line or not. What do you mean by this term? A is equal to 2,3 and B is equal to 3,2. This
Sir, these are
2,3,
coordinates.
these are the coordinates of this point. So coordinates represent a position of a point in Cartesian coordinate system. कार्टेशियन कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टम में आपको दो पॉइंट चाहिए होते हैं, जिसको आप ऑलवेज ऐसे लिखते हो 2,3 5,6 लाइक दैट, जो उस पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट को रिप्रेजेंट करता है और इन दिनों के बीच में रिलेशन होता है. सो एनीथिंग विच इज रिप्रेजेंटेड लाइक दिस इन अ क्लोज्ड ब्रैकेट and two terms where 1 and 2 are related to each other, then this kind of pair is called ordered pair. Okay, this is called ordered pair. अच्छा, तुमसे कोई अगर पूछे
Yes, sir.
2,3 और 3,2 आर दे इक्वल?
No, sir.
No, sir.
They are not equal because they represent two different position. So remember, in this case a comma b may not be equal to b comma a, जो यहाँ हम लोग देख रहे हैं, बिकॉज ऑर्डर्ड पेयर में a कॉमा बी और b कॉमा ए सेम नहीं होता है. बट सेट थ्योरी में हम लोग लिखते थे 1,2 एंड 2,1 आर सेम सेट. ओके, सेट में ये होता था, लेकिन ऑर्डर्ड पेयर में नहीं होता, याद रखना. Two ordered pair are equal or identical if and only if their individual terms are equal. Means A is equal to C and B is equal to D. Otherwise वो कभी भी equal नहीं हो सकते. So ordered pair क्या है, समझ में आया? What is ordered pair?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then, okay, equality of two, I already discussed this. Then try to solve using the concept of ordered pair the value of x and y in this example.
Sir, x equal to 2, y equal to 1.
Okay, let me see. For ordered pair, we know individual terms are equal. So x by 3 is equal to 5 by 3. X by 3 plus 1 is equal to 5 by 3. So x by 3 is equal to 5 by 3 minus 1. So that is equal to 2 by 3, right? Therefore, x is equal to 2. And similarly, y is equal to how much?
1.
Yes. So this is the ordered pair concept. Okay, then solve one. This is very simple. Okay, leave it. तुम लोगों को समझ में I think आ गया होगा. Next है Cartesian product. Cartesian product means product of your two set. दो सेट का हम लोग प्रोडक्ट कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि and then the product is represented in the form of ordered pair. So what is Cartesian product of set? सपोज करो A हमारा एक सेट है, मान लेते हैं, चलो एग्जाम्पल के साथ समझते हैं. A इज इक्वल टू है 1, 3, 5 एंड बी एक सेट है that is equal to 2 comma 3. Then A cross B means what? A cross B means फर्स्ट कोऑर्डिनेट 1 पकड़ो A का, ठीक है, इसके साथ इन दोनों को ऑर्डर पेयर बनाओ, मीन्स 1 के साथ ऑर्डर पेयर बनेगा 2 का, देन 1 के साथ ऑर्डर पेयर बनेगा 3 का, 1 कंप्लीट, देन 3 पकड़ो, 3 कॉमा 2, 3 कॉमा 3, then 5 पकड़ो, so 5 comma 2 and 5 comma 3. This kind of multiplication of set which produce another set whose elements are ordered pair is called Cartesian product of two set. Is it clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
It's very
Yes,
simple.
sir.
Just multiply karna hai. Okay, anyone answer me what is B cross A? If you understand.
Sir,
Yes.
2
Yes.
2 comma 1,
Hmm.
2 comma 3,
Hmm.
2 comma 5,
Hmm.
3 comma 1,
Hmm.
3 comma 3, 3 comma 5.
Yeah. So can anyone answer me? Is they are equal or unequal? This two value A cross B,
Sir,
is it equal or not equal to B cross A?
not equal.
Yes, they are not equal because this order pair 1 comma 2 is not equal to 2 comma 1. They are not equal. That is why Cartesian product are also not equal to each other. So remember, this kind of question may ask in examination. ओके सो एक एग्जांपल हम लोग देखें, यहाँ पे एक दूसरा एग्जांपल दिया है सिमिलर, सो देख सकते हो ए एंड बी, यहाँ से ए क्रॉस बी निकाला गया है और बी क्रॉस ए निकाला गया है, एंड देन यहाँ बता दिया गया है ए क्रॉस बी इज नॉट इक्वल टू बी क्रॉस ए. ओके, इसके साथ साथ एक प्रॉपर्टी है, ये जो इलिस्ट्रेशन है दिस इज बेसिकली अ प्रॉपर्टी. सो व्हाट इज दिस प्रॉपर्टी? दैट कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट of any set with null set is always equal to null. क्या याद रहेगा? Cartesian product of any set with a null set is always a null set. Can anyone justify why it is so?
Yes, sir.
Yes. क्यों होता है?
Sir, because
Yes.
a null cannot be represented on the Cartesian plane. That's why.
No, there is no Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane is one of the example of ordered pair. It is not the only example. This is because Anant, you want to try this?
Sir, as any number is multiplied by 0 is equals to 0, so any set multiplied by null is also null.
Okay, the analogy is correct, but the truth is null set not contain any element. Null means what? Null set किसको कहते थे हम लोग? जिसके पास कोई element ही नहीं है. So null set means no element. So if you multiply any element with no element, the result is no element. That is why multiplication of a null with null is multiplication of set with null is null. And can anyone answer me what is the multiplication of null and null set?
Sir, null.
Yes, so cross product of or Cartesian product of null set is null set. So this is a property, okay? This is the first property. Okay, second property. Suppose number of element in A is suppose P and number of element in set B is Q, then how many number of ordered pair are present in A cross B? For reference, you may
P
see
into
this
Q.
example. This content three
Sir,
elements.
P.
Yes, so it is multiplication always. It is equal to NA into NB. That is equal to P into Q. This is the second property. This always hold. हमेशा ये ट्रूथ होता है. इंडिविजुअल एलिमेंट का मल्टीप्लीकेशन आएगा फाइनल में. Okay, then let's take an example. Okay, suppose I have a set capital P is equal to A, B, C and a set Q which is equal to small q, and you have to find first P cross Q, second Q cross P, and you have to show that P cross Q is not equal to Q cross P. It is the easy problem, right? Try to solve this
Yes,
fast.
sir.
It's very
Sir,
easy
solved.
problem. It's very easy problem. If already
Sir,
solved,
solved.
then, okay, then go to the next problem. Suppose A is a set 1, 2, 3 and B is a set 3, 4 and C is a set 4, 5, 6. Then you have to find A cross B union C. Then A cross B intersection C. And third, A cross B intersection B cross C. Try the first one first. पहला question को try करो.
First one done.
This one.
Yes, sir.
What is the answer?
Yes, sir. So answer is 1 into 1 comma 2 comma 3 into 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 equal to 1 comma 3
Equal to तो नहीं होना चाहिए.
1.
First of all, you have to
Why,
calculate
sir?
B union C. What is the value of B union C?
Sir, B union C is 3, 4, 5, 6.
3, 4, 5, 6. It is B union C because B is 3, 4 and C is
Yes, sir.
4, 5, 6. So 4 is
Yes,
common.
sir.
So answer is 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. And A is equal
Yes,
to
sir.
1, 2, 3. So it contains 3 elements. This contains 4 elements. So my final answer will contain 4 into 3, that is equal to 12 elements. And how to calculate the elements? So 1 with all
Yes,
the
sir.
values, 2 with all the values, 3 with all the values. That's all. So go ahead, solve. इतना सारा मैं
Yes,
नहीं
sir.
लिखूंगा. 1 with 3, 1 with 4.
Yes, sir. Solved.
Yes, 1 with 5. Let me write first at least. 1 with 6 and so on. So this is the first part. Similarly, you can solve the second part also. They are similar. First of all, just answer me, what is B intersection C?
Sir, B intersection C is 4.
B intersection C is only 4. Yes. Anant, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, because B and C contain only 4 as a common value. So it is 4 only. And here A is equal to your 1, 2 and 3. So the final answer contain 3 elements, 1, 4, 2, 4 and 3, 4. Try to solve the third one.
Yes, sir. Solved.
Okay. How many element it contain?
Sir, it contains 12 element.
Last one.
Yes, sir. Last one.
No. Should be wrong then. Think
No,
again.
sir. After intersection, the answer is 3,4.
Yes, the final answer is only 3, 4. Yes, correct.
Yes, sir. Final answer is 3,4.
Anant, do you get the answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is about the Cartesian product. Next, you have to remember some properties of Cartesian product. एग्जाम में इस प्रॉपर्टी को डायरेक्टली प्रूव करने के लिए दे देता है, जैसे अभी हमने एक किया. The first property is distributive property. Look, A cross B union C, then this product is distributive in nature. It is A cross B union A cross C.
Yes, sir.
It is also distributive to the intersection. It is distributive to the union, also distributive towards the intersection. It is also distributive to the subtraction of two sets. So look, it is distributive in nature, also in the both direction. Okay. So here
Yes,
are
sir.
some example. There is there is a mistake. It is C, not B. Yeah. And also here it is distributive in nature, like this. So first is a distributive property. Second is subset property. That is, if A, B and C are any set and it is given A is a subset of B, then A cross C is subset of B cross C. इसको कैसे समझेंगे? देखो, A is subset of B means A is either equal to B or less than B. इसका यही मतलब होता है सबसेट होने का मतलब, या तो B के बराबर
Yes,
है
sir.
A या उससे छोटा है. तो किसी छोटे चीज को मैंने C से मल्टीप्लाई किया और बड़े वाले को C से मल्टीप्लाई किया, तो जो छोटा वाला प्रोडक्ट है वो ऑलवेज एक सबसेट ही रहेगा. सो दिस इज
Yes, sir.
subset property. Next is subset property extended here again. So these two are similar almost. A is subset of B, C is subset of D. Means A और C छोटा है. So A cross C is subset of B cross D. And for intersection, you have to remember again similarly. A cross B intersection C cross D को आप लिख सकते हो A intersection C cross B intersection D. ये important है काफी. और इसको प्रूव हम लोग कर सकते हैं यूजिंग टेकिंग एग्जाम्पल ऑफ एनी कॉमन सेट. ए बी सी डी एग्जाम्पल ले लो.
Yes, sir.
एंड देन LHS प्रूफ करो, RHS प्रूफ करो, प्रूव हो जाएगा. एग्जाम में अगर प्रूफ करने बोले, टेक ए एज एनी सेट, ज्यादा बड़ा मत लेना, छोटा छोटा वैल्यू लेना, 1 2 and 3 4 लाइक दैट, एंड देन substitute in left hand side and right hand side, you get the answer. And the last property is, if they are non-empty set, then A cross B is equal to B cross A is only possible if A and B are equal. That is, A cross A is equal to A cross A. Otherwise, it is
Yeah,
not
sir.
possible. So these are some simple, very simple examples. And let's take an example. How much you understand regarding this? Okay. So take example. Suppose A is equal to A cross B. Then find A cross A. Answer this.
Sir,
Yes.
A cross A is equal to AA, AB, then BA, BB.
Okay. Anant, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
So, okay. Second problem. Let R be the set of all real number okay, R be a set of all real number. What does R cross R represent?
Sir, all real number crossed with all real numbers.
Yes. So what this represent? You have to write it, right? इसको लिखना तो पड़ेगा एग्जाम में. Real number with real number
Yes,
means
sir.
what? It is not multiplication of two real number. Real number means 1 and 2. 1 and 2 multiplied produce result 3. So it is not, answer is 3. Answer is 1 comma 3. So this is not represent multiplication. It represents something else. Think,
Sir, I
think,
don't
think.
know, sir.
Think at least. Anant, any idea? How to represent R comma R in a set form? First of all, try to represent in a form of set. Then it must be a ordered pair, isn't it? Like x comma y, such that x is belongs to real number and y is also belongs to real number, isn't it? R
Yes,
क्रॉस
sir.
R जो है इस सेट को हम लोग ऐसे लिख सकते हैं दैट इसका एलिमेंट x कॉमा y जैसा होगा जहां पे x भी रियल नंबर होगा एंड y भी रियल नंबर होगा. सो अगर आप लोग को कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टम पता है तो इसमें कोई भी पॉइंट अगर हम लोग ले लेते हैं, एनी पॉइंट इन कोऑर्डिनेट नंबर सिस्टम can be represented in a form of x comma y where x is real number and y is real number. So R cross R represent what? R cross R represent the set of all coordinate point in two-dimensional plane. Write it down. इसको लिख लो जरा. Thus R cross R represent the set of all coordinate points in two-dimensional plane. Is it clear? देखो समझ में आया कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
समझ में आया.
अच्छा चलो, अगर समझ में आया तो एक और प्रॉब्लम मैं दूंगा. पहले इस ऑर्डर पेयर क्लियर होना चाहिए सबका. अच्छा, अब मैं तुम लोग को एक कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट का वैल्यू दे रहा हूं. तुम लोग को इंडिविजुअल सेट निकालना है. तो यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन में गिवन है, ए और बी दो सेट है. ए और बी दो सेट है, मैं पूरा नहीं लिख रहा हूँ. इन विच नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट इन ए क्रॉस बी इज इक्वल टू 6. ठीक है. इस 6 एलिमेंट का 3 एलिमेंट दिया हुआ है और 3 नहीं दिया है. 3 एलिमेंट है 1 3 2 5 and 3 3. The remaining 3 elements you have to find. समझ में आया क्वेश्चन?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then find out the remaining 3 elements.
Sir, blank elements are 1 5 2 3 and 3 5.
Then how to get this number? जस्टिफाई कैसे करोगे?
Sir, because the set A is 1, 2 and 3 and set B is 3 and 5, and as n A cross B is 6, so number of elements in A is 3 and B is 2. So if we find out number of elements, then it is also 6, and if we cross A cross B, then we get the ordered pairs, and the missing order pair we can find out from there.
अनंत, समझ में आया ये?
Yes, sir.
सिंपल, एन ए क्रॉस बी जो बोले उसको मैथमेटिकली हम लोग ऐसे लिखेंगे, इट मस्ट बी एन ए क्रॉस एन बी. ओके, सो आइदर इट इज 3,2 और इट इज 2,3. या तो ए में 2 एलिमेंट होगा, बी में 2, और इसका उल्टा. फ्रॉम द गिवन वैल्यू द फर्स्ट कोऑर्डिनेट रिप्रेजेंट ए. So A is equal to 1, 2, 3. So B must contain only 2 elements. That 2 element is 3 and 5. Okay. And then you may find out the cross product and then the final answer. Okay. Then before start relation, there is another point which is called order triplet. ऑर्डर ट्रिपलेट किसको कहते हैं? जैसे इसको हम लोग कहते हैं ऑर्डर पेयर, मींस दे कंटेन ओनली 2 एलिमेंट्स. अनदर थिंग इज ऑर्डर ट्रिपलेट. सपोज ए क्रॉस बी क्रॉस सी. ओके, दिस इज रिप्रेजेंटेड लाइक ए क्रॉस बी क्रॉस सी. ऐसे लिखा जाता है इसको.
Yes, sir.
एक एग्जांपल है मेरे पास, इसको करो. सपोज ए इज इक्वल टू 1,2, आसान लेते हैं. b इज इक्वल टू 3 एंड c इज इक्वल टू 4. देन व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ a क्रॉस b क्रॉस c? दिस इज कॉल्ड ऑर्डर ट्रिपलेट.
So 1, 3, 1, 4, 2,
1,
3,
3,
2,
4,
4.
like this. 1, 3, 4 triplet. You have
Yes, sir.
3
1, 3,
elements.
4, 2, 3, 4. Sir, 1, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4.
1, 3, 4 and then 1 with these elements and 2 with these elements, right?
Yes, sir.
So it is 2, 3, 4. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
If it is not, then remember इसको शॉर्ट में कर सकते हो लोग. पहले a क्रॉस b निकालो, ठीक है? तो आ जाएगा 1,2, सॉरी 1,3 एंड 2,3. ठीक है ना? एंड देन उसके साथ 4 का मल्टीप्लीकेशन करो, मीन्स देन ए बी सी करो. सो सी 4 है तो हो जाएगा 1, 3, 4 एंड 2, 3, 4. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर जो है हम लोग का 8:15 से स्टार्ट होगा. तुम लोग तब तक इसको सॉल्व करो. a इज इक्वल टू गिवन 1,2 only. Okay, you have to find out a cross a cross a. We have our next lecture related to your set theories, lecture 2 from 8:15. Then till then solve this question.